If you look at the streets of Nigeria today, POS business is at every corner. So the demand for POS business flex is on the high side. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to design and print POS flex banner that will give you thousands of money anytime, any moment. I have done this job for my clients, so many clients, and I have made a whole lot of money from it. So if you want to make money with me through printing of POS business flex, this tutorial is for you. So stick around and learn with me how to design and print POS business flex. So let's get to the screen. So all you have to do is for you to head to your CorelDRAW, open a new document. Let's open our new document. Okay, let's name our document POS flex. I'm going to take this tutorial step by step so that you understand everything in this tutorial. Okay, since we are going to print a flex banner, I'm going to take my measurement dimension in feet. So you are going to change this, come here and change this to feet. Then I'm going to use 2 by 3. Okay, let's use 3 by 4 flex banner, which is an average size of flex banner printing. Okay, I'm going to use 3 by 4 feet in this tutorial. Okay, then I'm going to set my DPI to 300 so that it can give you quality printing. Okay, after doing that, you are going to select CYMK. This is very important, CYMK, because this is for print. So you are going to select CYMK. Okay, after doing that, after setting up everything, you come to this place and click OK. Clicking OK, it will bring you to your design interface. So the next thing you are going to do after that, come to your rectangle tool, and draw your rectangle. Bring it to the page. Now remember our size that we used, so we are going to put here 3 by 4 feet. Press enter on the keyboard, then press the letter P to centralize it. Okay, after doing that, you are going to bring all your texts and your resources you are going to use for this design. So let's bring our text and our resources that we are going to use for this design. So I bring my text. Always make sure that you have prepared all your texts and your design and you keep it somewhere. It will make your design fast and seamless. So let's bring all of them down there. I'm going to paste all of them here. I will increase all of them. So I'm going to power click all of these resources into that square I drew earlier. So I right click and drag it towards the square area to power click it. Okay, after doing that, the most important thing you are also going to do before you start your design is for you to use your grids. The reason you are using your grids is that it will make all your margins to be equal. So that is very important. Please don't forget that, to make all your margins to be equal. Okay, let's open our power clip. After opening this power clip, I'm going to extend this text. Okay, let's begin to position our stuff the way we want it to be. The biggest text on this type of flex is POS. So after typing in your POS, can decide to go with this font. Then the next thing I'm going to do that is very important is this POS machine. Please always try and make sure that you put this POS machine. Even if somebody cannot read, immediately seeing that POS machine, the person will understand what kind of business is around that place. So the next thing you are going to do here is for you to add some background to this and add some colors to this. Okay, what we are going to do is I'm going to bring in all my text into this design. I'll place it one side. While doing some adjustments, I'll place this one side. Let's make this text a little much bigger. So for this kind of flex, you will see something like this. Let's draw in our rectangle here. So I'm going to use red color for that place. Going to use red color for that place. While using red color for that place, I'm going to click here on my outline and I will remove my outline for that red color. Let's change this text to white for readability. So after changing that to white, I will make some adjustment on my text. So I'm going to use, so the basic information before then on a POS flex is cash deposit, cash withdrawal, money transfer, bill payment, recharge card. So don't forget this. Anytime you are designing a POS flex, you must reflect all these services on a POS flex. But I will bring my recharge card down here. Press Shift F3 to change it to title case. Let's use title case here. The next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to place this recharge card text in a box to give it some beauty. So I'm going to use, let me use red also there, and I'm going to remove the outline. Let's bold this text. Okay, let's go with a very beautiful font. Okay, I can choose Futura. So you can choose any font that is bold and readable whenever you are designing. Any font that is bold and readable. So you can decide to centralize this. Then another thing you are going to take note of when you are designing this, please make sure that you have all these icons, all these recharge card icons in your system. I will leave all these resources in the description below so that you can use it and try this design by yourself. You can decide to change all these texts to title case by pressing Shift F3 on the keyboard. So we have changed all these text to title case, but we are going to do something here. Please stay to the end of this tutorial so that you see how beautiful this is going to look like, so that you get every step of the things I have done to this design to make it stand out and look professional. Okay, while positioning this, I can decide to use a color like blue here. Let's use blue here. And I'm going to remove this outline. For press Ctrl page down to take that behind. duplicate this for each of these. Let's separate all this text. I'm going to separate all this text by shifting them up. So what we are going to do is click on the text and press Ctrl K. Select the text and its background upward and group it. Do the same thing to the next text. Select the text, this upward. If you check these lines, they are not aligning well. So what you are going to do here is for you to select all of them. After selecting all of them, you press letter L on the keyboard for all of them to align very well. Now, can you see that our design is becoming better now? Our design is becoming better now. So the next thing you are going to do here is for you to make some adjustments to your design. Make some adjustments to your design. Position things very well. Do the final touches, the final finishing to this design. So here I can decide to use interactive fill here. I decide to use interactive fill here by using black color here. Then here I can decide to duplicate this text. Then the one that is behind, I can decide to use yellow for it, or I can use black for better readability. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay, I can decide to bring this POS machine towards this word POS. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do now is for me to write here available here. Now please, the most important thing I'm going to tell you for any flex design is that when you are choosing colors for your flex design, you are going to use the CYMK process black. You can decide to put some finishing touches on this design, something that will make it attractive. So let's draw this in here. Let's duplicate this. So I'm duplicating that to make it look beautiful and stunning. Can you see that our POS flex is becoming beautiful? So you can decide to adjust this to positions that you want to adjust it to make it look good, to make it look beautiful. So the next thing you are going to do, down here you can put phone numbers here depending on the owner of the flex. Depending on the owner of this flex, you can put a phone number here. Okay, down here what I'm going to do next is for me to put a rectangle here. I will go with red color. Start going with red color. I'm going to add a phone number there. Depends on the client that you are designing for. So he might need a phone number. So you put it here and choose maybe yellow color. Please make sure any color you are using on your text, make sure it is readable from that background. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is for me to finalize my design. I'm going to finalize my design now. So you can see that this design is becoming great. Some people will need their names on this flex, their business name on this flex. So let's go with smart this. This is just a random name, please. This is just a random name, please, so it doesn't relate to any business out there. It's only for the purpose of this tutorial. So you can decide to put the POS business name here if the owner wants it. So, and we are done with our design. Finally, you are going to close your power clip. After closing your power clip, and let's view this POS design now. You can see that this is looking beautiful. This is looking awesome. Start making money by printing POS flex or POS business operators. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you can see next time I upload any video. Thank you. See you next time.